Hey guys, welcome back to Up, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make color filters using Spark AR and Adobe Lightroom, which is again a very easy method, just like the previous one, in which we created AR filters. So just head on to the new project on the Spark AR app. Just enlarge it a bit, and then head on to the video option if you want, and choose other preset persons or people, or you can try it on yourself. And I'll just go on with this woman here. Just head on to the camera and right click on it, and you'll see there's an option called canvas, add and then canvas, and just click it and you'll see that it appears here. And just right click on the canvas again and add and create a rectangle. Yeah, and now just click on the rectangle and go to the right panel of Spark AR and just click on the fill size and fill height and fill width. You'll see that the whole image gets selected, and a patch like this gets created. Just click on the rectangle once again and go to the materials, and you'll see that um, a material 0 gets formed in the left panel, and the screen is covered in a white screen. Just head on to the materials now and click on the texture by clicking on the arrow on its left side, and you'll see that the program patch gets created on the below. Now I'll just resize it a bit. So this is a material patch, and what you have to do now, this is the base color, and create as many as filters like you want, or copy from other filters if you want, but that would not be a copyright. But create like yourself from Adobe Lightroom, and then drag your filter, this base color filter, from a folder or desktop, and copy it to a Spark AR app like this. Yeah, now it gets copied. After this, you have to download the fast color UT given in the description below, and just copy it again to the Spark AR app. So now these are the three things that we have: material 0, the filter color, and the fast color UT. The material 0 is already copied to the patch, so copy the filter color and the fast color UT to the patch, like this, and arrange it a bit. So now we have three things: the material 0, the fast color UT, and the filter color. So what we have to do now is just head on to the camera option again, and from there we have to select texture. Click on the plus option there and select texture. You'll see that a texture called camera texture 0 gets created automatically. Now we'll name it as null, and then again copy to the patch. Now connect the RGBA channel to the first fast color UT RGBA channel, and the LUT channel of the filter color to the LUT of fast color UT, and finally the fast color UT to the material 0, and you'll see the magic happens. So this is how you create the Instagram filter using the Spark AR and the Adobe Lightroom, and you can copy other filters if you want, and choose as per yourself. These are some two filters I added just now, and you'll see that that if I just disconnect it a bit and connect this alert channel to the fast color UT, you'll see it's a different filter again. And if I disconnect this one again and connect this one again, you'll see it's a whole new different filter again. So this is how you create the filter, and it's very easy. You have seen it. I'll also show you how to add ambient light or different types of light to the filter. Just go on head onto the camera and add ambient light or directional light or environment light or spotlight from there. This is how the ambient light looks if you add it from there, and you can position it like from by clicking here here as you need, and then you can also change the intensity of the ambient light, and you can also change the color by clicking up here, and you can see the whole palette is given here, and you can change it here. Now to add the environment light, again head on to the camera option and add, and then again environment light from there, and it's again the same thing as ambient light. This color light differences here. You can change the intensity again and again the color. It's just the same thing again. You can just play it around as you want, like here, there, anywhere. So that's it for now, guys. I'll be back soon with another video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button too. And if you have any questions regarding this, just ping me up in the comment section below. And bye, guys.